Hi everyone. This video is all about how to make money on JVZoo. This is Khadi. In my previous video, I spoke about the different platforms where you can promote your affiliate link. That is Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. So today we will discuss on how we can use JVZoo to promote the product paid for you guys. Firstly, you will need to register for a JVZoo account, right? The second, you do not have to have these assets. That is what it is called in the online marketing business. I know some of it, like your email list, it can be something different, and even a funnel. That's where I was at not so long ago. I didn't even understand one thing that the guys were talking about, most of the super affiliates. But I promise you, if you stick with me, you will be able to understand all these terms. Hence, I've created this channel so I can just share the knowledge so that you will not struggle like I did. So, as a newbie, as a beginner, you do not even have to have an email list. This is where the super affiliates are at right now. They have people that they normally send their offerings to. They've built an email list over time, but as a newbie you won't even have a list, right? You do not even have to have a big audience. You do not have to have like in terms of a social media platform audience, you do not even have to have that. You do not have to create a complicated funnel. You don't even have to have money. So because I know that they say you must have money to create a website so that you can promote this product, but you do not even have to have that. I'll show you a free way on promoting, creating a website and promoting this product. So let's just go to the next step. So we have spoken about that you do not have to have money to promote these products from JVZoo. You do not even have to use these complicated funnels, and also you don't have to have an email list. So how does this work basically? So you will need to find a product. I'll show you where to find the product and what is the best way of finding that product. And once you find the product that you are interested in launching, in promoting rather, then you will have to ask a request for an affiliate link from the vendor who's promoting that particular product. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about promoting products that are already being created by vendors. You don't promote a product that is yours. And as a newbie, you won't even have a product, so you will need to get an affiliate link. It will look something like this. Once you have the affiliate link, you can use different platforms to promote your product. We'll also talk about that in the video. And you can create a campaign. You can use YouTube. You can use blog, whatever the case might be. You use whatever platform you want to promote the product. And once you've done that, and a potential buyer click on your affiliate link that you will have attached to that particular promotion, that is when you will be able to make money. This is where everyone wants to be. We all want to get to the stage where we make commission from that specific product that you are promoting. So in a nutshell, this is what affiliate marketing is all about. You find a product, you get a link to promote that particular product, because for you to be able to get this commission, they need to identify who sold the product. And the unique identifier from an affiliate marketing point of view, for the vendor to know and identify who made the sale, is using the affiliate link. This is how it works. So they use the affiliate links that they gave to you initially when you requested. Once you use the affiliate link, you will have to embed that affiliate link to your promotion. It depends on how you do it, but then once you promote the product, and you make the money. So the next step, I just want us to just go step by step. This is where it is most important. you need to sign up. That is step number 1 that was on our list. You need to sign up for a JVZoo account. You'll go to www.jvzoo.com, then sign up for the account. And once you've done that, what I like about JVZoo is that it doesn't have a lot of complications, so you should be able to set up an account within a few minutes. Okay guys, so now you've signed up on JVZoo, so this is what I would like you to do for me. So I would like you to go to affiliates and you go to find products. So on this page you'll see all the products that have already been launched. So these are all the products that have been launched. You will even see that the launch date, this one was launched on in May 2014. These are the number of copies that were sold, conversion rate 2.76, and the number of clicks, EPC, and the average price, and the commission that you got was 50%, right? And also you also need to take note of the refund rate. So if it's anything less than 10%, that is considered to be a good rate. So but that's not what I want to talk about. That's another video that I will make for you guys. So what I want to show you is this page on JVZoo. Even though you will be able to see the products, right, that have already gone that have already been launched, so that you can promote them, but this is only good for the super affiliates, the people who have been in the online marketing and affiliate marketing game for a very long time. So as a newbie, this will not work for you. Firstly, you don't even have an email list. So for the super affiliates, they can normally use their email list that they have built with time to be able to send through the offers to their list. They can also generate autoresponders, so that the autoresponder can just send the emails automatically. So with you don't even have that. So the best way for you to be able to find the best product to promote, I just want us to go to this site. So we have signed up for JVZoo. Now the next step is to get the link for the product that we want to promote. But getting the link, it means we need to find the product first. So as I've mentioned in the as I've mentioned earlier, that the best way to promote your product is to find the latest product that is going to be launched. So for you to do that, you need to go to Munch Eye. This is the website that posts all the products that are going to be launched. You can see that there's one that's going to be launched in December, and there's one that are going to be launched now in May. So as a newbie, I would just suggest that just look at the products that are going to be launched maybe in a week's time or in 2 weeks, so that can give you time to prepare for your promotion, right? So for you to be able to request that, let's just take the one that is going to be launched on the 20th of May by Joshua Zamora. You just click on it, and he's promoting done for you suit version 3, right? So you need to go to the JV page, select the JV page, and this should give you access to the sales page. This is the sales page, guys, where it tells you about the product. So here he says done for you suit 3.0 to launch on the 20th of May at 11 a.m. EST. And he explains that the best high quality done for you content syndication platform. So this is the sale product. So basically he's enticing you with his product so that you can buy it. But for us, we are not looking at buying, we are looking at helping him, which is the vendor. We are looking at helping Joshua to promote his product that is going to be launched on this day, on the 20th of May. So for us to be able to assist him, we go to anywhere that says get link, select it. So in this case it says JVZoo link. Select the link there, and it will take you straight to JVZoo. This is where you're going to request the affiliate link. So it tells you that the sales price is $33.33 and you get 50% commission of the sale price. So basically what you need to do, you can say, hi Joshua, because you already know the name of the vendor. You can say, hi Joshua, my name is whoever. I want to type the message. I'll just give you hacks in the next video that I'm going to come up with as to as a newbie, how do you get your affiliate links to be approved, because vendors, they do not prefer to give newbies to approve newbies links. So but I'll give you the hacks on how to do that. But basically just put your name, where you will be promoting the product. It can be via a website, YouTube, blog. Just say it, and also say just thank him, to say in advance thank you, and I'm looking forward for your response. And that's what you say, and you can just click here. I have read and followed any instructions in the vendor's message. You select that, and also select I'm not the robot, and you send request. And once you send request, then your request will be in a pending state, waiting for the vendor to approve. Normally for JVZoo it can take 1 day or 2 days. It's not like a ClickBank, where ClickBank is just you don't even have to request for approval, but for JVZoo you have to wait for the vendor to approve you. So yeah, that's how it works. So you wait for your link to be approved, and this is the same way as you were to do it if you go to JVZoo inside. Remember where I showed you to go? We go to find products. You can also request approval here. You can go request approval. So it's the same process, but I prefer you do it via MunchEye, because that's where you will be looking for the product to promote. It's the same thing. You can see, you capture the information and you just say what you need help with. Okay, so let's say it's a day or two, however the time the vendor will take to approve your link. So you have to go back to JVZoo. If you want to see the status of your links, you go to the affiliates tab here, and you click on the approved product menu item, and the approved product menu item will give you a list of all the requests that you have made and the status, right? So now let's say, for example, RankSnap version 3 Pro, it's the one that we've applied for approval. Then you go to get links, and once you go to get links, it will open up this page with the details, and it will show you that the payout is 50% of the sales price. The commission is 50%, and this is where you get your affiliate link. So it shows that your link is approved, it's available. You can say copy, and then you are ready to promote your product. So there are different ways of promoting your product. The first one is, if you are shy, you don't want to be in front of a video, you can use a blog. You can use create a website, but I know a website is expensive, and since I've said that for a newbie, if you don't have money, don't worry about it. As a newbie, I said that I'll show you different ways of how to promote your product without creating a new website and pay for it. A paid website, you can use a free website platform. This is one. You can go to Sites. It's a Google platform, sites.google.com, and then you can just create a blank template or use the existing one, and you can promote your product using this one. If as you can see, this is it's a proper website builder. We can just look at one template as an example. So but the template, you can just modify it as you see fit. So you see it has home, service, about, testimonials, and contacts. So you can just use this template and create your website. So this is a free website, a template builder. You can just use it. You don't have to pay for it. As I've mentioned, you can use your website, you can create blogs, you can write reviews about the product that you want to promote. You can use YouTube to promote your product. If you're not comfortable in front of the camera, you can choose not to show your face. There are different ways. Maybe I might do a video on that as to how you can do reviews without showing your face. If you want me to do a video on YouTube on how not to show your face, just put your comment in the comment section, and I'll do that video. And yeah, so we've done we've signed up, you found the product, you've promoted your product. Now you are ready to make money. So thanks guys, this is my video on how to make money on JVZoo and how you can use JVZoo to promote your product. Be on the lookout for new tutorials that I'm going to come with. This is Khadi, and thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Cheers for now.